It is said that low aim is a crime. A medical representative or a pharma sales professional need to be ambitious. So, A for ambitious. A person need to achieve targets, and that's the reason a person need to be ambitious. Medical representative has to have a good body language. I mean to say that appropriate dress code has to be there. Apart from this, whenever he or she is going to interact with doctor, eye to eye contact need to be maintained. Communication. So communication is the most important aspect in the job of pharma sales professional. There are two types of communication, written as well as oral. So when you are going to speak and if you are going to make certain mistakes, it may be ignored. But when you are going to write, at that time, it may not be ignored. So understand the importance of communication and ensure that you have a good communication skill. Person need to be determined. Dream, discipline, determination, and dedication. These are the 4 Ds for success. So a medical representative has to be very much determined. Apart from this, he need to be very much enthusiastic. A bubbling enthusiasm has to be reflected when person is going to work in the field. Person need to have a finicky character. This means that a person should be able to place the proposal in a proper manner. I mean to say that tactfully a person need to handle the situations that's called as a finicky. Person need to have a gratitude. A person who is having attitudes towards gratitude will certainly progress in the field. No two opinions. That person need to be honest towards the product, honest towards the profession, honest towards the company in which a person is going to work. Need to have an inquisitive nature as well, the curiosity to learn. No need to mention, a person has to be joyous always. Loyalty is the most important aspect in the job of pharmaceutical sales professional. So if you are going to work with a company for a good number of years, the chances of internal promotions are also there, and there are lot many benefits related to loyalty. Person need to be motivated, self motivated, I mean to say that. Don't wait to motivate someone others. Ensure that you are a self motivated person to achieve the objectives which has been given by the company. Apart from this, one need to have good negotiation skills when a person is going to work in the field. Optimism, that is optimistic nature, has to be there. There are certain things which may not be in the favor when you are going to work in the field, but at that time you need to maintain the optimism. A person need to be optimistic. Apart from this, passionate towards the profession, need to observe a lot of patience and need to do things with perseverance. Consistent effort is the key to get success. Apart from this, a person need to have quest. Resilience means a person need to bounce back in certain negative situations. Person need to be a sincere one. See, sincerity plays a lot of role whenever you're going to work in the field and in the company as well. So sincerity, there is no any substitute towards sincerity as well as hard work. So need to be sincere. And time management. Time management is the most important aspect, and a person need to take care of 0 minutes as well. I mean to say that the time in which you are not going to do anything. Suppose you are waiting at a doctor's cabin, at that time lot of time is there, so you can read the things. When you are going to travel, at that time you can read. Whenever you can say at airport and some time is there, you can do some work. And target, yes, the essence of the work, I mean to say that a person need to be on target, and target has to be achieved, and one should have an effort towards the target achievement, because everything is linked with the target in the sales profession. I hope everyone will agree with me. A person need to develop uniqueness. I mean to say that he should be an indispensable one, and should have an uniqueness. And whenever a person is going to interact with someone, at that time that uniqueness has to be marked. Sometime a person may be having a good knowledge related to a, you can say, share market, maybe some, you can say, knowledge related to some other domains or likewise. So he can interact with the, you can say, whatever knowledge he is having apart from this pharma sales knowledge as well. A person need to develop his unique identity, I mean to say that. Vocabulary, yes, lot of you can say words are there, and words plays a lot of important role. Words are having power, so one need to have a vocabulary, and good number of words has to be there. So witty, that is means that you need to use the words in a very clever manner, in a clever way. You need to be a genial, this means that you need to be a very friendly. And apart from this, you need to have you can say an inclination towards yes sir. This does not mean that you should not say no, but yes sir, I mean to say that one should not argue too much. So never argue, because it is said that when you are going to, you can say, win the argument, you may lose the sales, and when you are going to lose the argument, you may win the sales. And last but not least, zeal, that is enthusiasm. So a person need to have zeal. My name is Dr. Girish Telang, heading Pharma Focus HR Consultancy, worked in pharmaceutical sales, and I have worked as a medical representative, area manager, regional manager, manager sales promotion, and having a consultancy experience more than 20 years. I hope this information would be really you can say useful to the pharmaceutical sales professional. If you like this one, certainly share this to your friends, colleagues, so that they can also have a personality development with these alphabets, that is A to Z, and you can achieve your, you can say, targets with all these attributes which you are going to possess and which you have. The only thing is that you need to sharpen the knowledge every now and then. Wishing you a great luck, best luck for your achievement. So once again, we'll meet with some new topic. By the time, thank you so much. Please do share and subscribe for channel for such type of knowledge. Thank you so much.